Can I get my money back from New York Life? Whether or not you can get your money back from New York Life depends on the type of insurance policy you have and its terms. For some policies, there are options to access a refund, return of premiums, or cash value, while for others, the money you've paid may not be refundable. Understanding the specifics of your policy will help determine if you can get your money back. 1. Surrendering a permanent life insurance policy. If you have a permanent life insurance policy with New York Life, such as whole life insurance or universal life insurance, you may be able to get money back through the cash value of your policy. These policies build cash value over time, which you can access if you decide to cancel or surrender your policy. The amount returned to you will depend on how much cash value has accumulated and any outstanding loans or premiums owed. 2. Refund during the free look period. If you've recently purchased a life insurance policy and decide to cancel it within the free look period, typically 10 to 30 days from the policy's issue date, New York Life may provide a full refund of the premiums you've paid, provided you haven't filed a claim during that period. This applies only to newly issued policies and is meant to give you time to review the policy terms. Third, refund on premiums for health or disability insurance. For health insurance or disability insurance policies, New York Life typically does not provide a refund on premiums unless there is an error or overpayment. If you cancel these policies early, some providers may offer a prorated refund for unused premiums depending on the policy terms. However, in most cases, premiums paid are non-refundable. 4. Return of premium rider, term life insurance. Some New York Life term life insurance policies offer a return of premium rider, which allows you to get a refund of the premiums paid if you outlive the policy term. These riders are often more expensive than standard term life policies, but may be a good option if you're interested in receiving a refund after the policy expires, assuming you haven't filed any claims. 5. Canceling or surrendering your policy. If you wish to cancel your New York Life policy, it is essential to review the terms, as cancellation may impact your ability to receive any refund. Some permanent life insurance policies allow you to surrender the policy in exchange for its surrender value, which could be a lump sum or a portion of the premiums paid, depending on the policy's cash value and terms. 6. Tax implications for cash value, withdrawal or surrender. If you withdraw cash value or surrender a permanent life insurance policy, you may be subject to taxes on any gains accumulated in the policy. It's important to consult with a tax professional before proceeding with a withdrawal or surrender to understand any tax implications. 7. How to request a refund. Step 1. Contact New York Life customer service or your agent to inquire about the possibility of a refund or surrendering your policy. Step 2. Review the terms of your policy, including any cancellation or surrender clauses, to understand how you can proceed. Step 3. Complete the necessary forms if required and provide your policy number and identification details. Step 4. Wait for confirmation and any applicable refund or cash value payout. In general, getting your money back from New York Life depends on the type of policy you have and whether it includes options for refunds, cash value, or a return of premiums. Permanent life insurance policies tend to offer more opportunities for accessing funds, while term policies are typically non-refundable unless you have a return of premium rider. Would you like to explore your refund options or get a new insurance quote from New York Life today? Click on the link in the description below.